Assalamualaikum guys. Today I want to share my experience visiting SK Tasik Putri School. I went there for a platoon leader course. Upon arriving, a platoon teacher instructed us to line up. After lining up, we began our marching practice. After half an hour of marching, the drill instructor directed us to the SK Tasik Putri library. In the library, the drill instructor distributed the platoon guideline papers. Then the drill instructor taught us about scoring and penalties in the marching. After learning those things, we take turns to the field and take pictures and eat before returning to my school. That's all for today. Bye.
Becoming humble. Bobby had a very handsome sailor doll that wore a red uniform with a cap and a scarf. None of the toys are as smart as I am, thought the conceited little sailor, so he wouldn't talk to any of the other toys. One night, the sailor doll fell and broke his neck. Next morning, Bobby broke his neck. Next morning, Bobby pushed him into the drawer, where a few other broken toys were stored. There was a broken top, a train without an engine, and a clown whose cap and shoes were lost. The sailor doll felt very sad and large tears rolled down his cheeks. The clown gave him a hug and the top said, "Cheer up, we'll be happy together here." A fairy spotted the broken toys and with her went to repair them. Now Bobby is playing with them again, and the sailor doll has become friendly with everyone. Thank you.
Sepatah dua kata. Hai, saya Hana. Ni cakaplah dekat, letak kat mulut tu mikrofon tu. Ya, mulut. Mulut mana? Mulut mana mulut? Gigi mana gigi? Pipi mana pipi? Mata? Hidung? Telinga? Rambut? Okey, nak cakap apa? Hana. Abi?
Abi aja.
Mana ada Abi picture? Abi ambil kan? Abi nak cakap apa cepat?
Adik.
Nak cakap pasal adik?
Adik meja.
Kenapa adik Beza?
Baby pun ni.
Baby pun. Sayang adik Mirza.
Hello, Banda. I want an idiot.
I want
To
eat
eat.
ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye.
Jumpa lagi. Kita nak jumpa lagi. Mana cakap? Okay lah, bye. Mana bye-bye, tak nampak pun bye-bye. Tunjuk gigi. Tunjuk.